In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a shop on Squarespace. We'll start right from your Squarespace account and walk through adding a cart icon to your site header, creating your store page, and customizing a product with its name, images, inventory, and basic marketing settings. By the end, you'll have a functional shop framework ready to go live once your products and settings are in place. Begin by heading to your Squarespace account dashboard and sign in. Once you're in, click Dashboard to open your sites list and pick the site you want to work on. Click Go to Website to enter the site editor. From here, click Website to open the main editing view, then go to Pages. In the Pages panel, open Main Navigation so we can work with the pages and header that visitors see. Next, click Edit to enter site editing mode. At the top, choose Edit Site Header. This is where we'll add the shopping cart. Click Add Elements, then choose Cart. This places a cart icon in your header so shoppers can see what's in their bag from any page. If your design supports it, you'll be able to adjust its style later. For now, just make sure it appears. Click Save to confirm the header changes, then click Exit to leave the header editor and return to the Pages panel. Back in Main Navigation, click the plus icon to add a new page. Choose Products. Squarespace will prompt you to set up a store. Select Store and choose a template that matches your brand's vibe. This template controls the layout of your product listings, and you can change styling later, so pick one that feels close to what you want. After creating the store page, click into it to open the store view. You'll see a guided setup prompt. Click Continue Store Setup, then proceed through the helpful checklist. When it asks you to finish setting up your store, click the prompt and then choose Keep Going. This flow highlights essential areas you'll refine, like product basics and storefront settings. If you're just getting the structure in place today, you can move through these prompts without fully configuring every detail. When you're done reviewing the checklist for now, click Close to return to your store page. Now let's customize a product. On your product list, locate the item you want to edit, click the three dots next to it, and select Edit. Start with the product name field. Give your item a clear, descriptive name that customers will instantly understand. Aim for something concise but specific enough to differentiate it from similar items. Next, go to Images. Add high-quality images that show the product from multiple angles. Use consistent lighting and backgrounds if possible. Squarespace will let you reorder images by dragging, so put your best, most informative photo first. If you have detail shots or color variations, include them to answer questions before they come up. Move to Inventory. Here you can set pricing, stock levels, and, if applicable, variants like sizes or colors. Enter accurate quantities so your storefront reflects real availability. If you manage variants, double-check that each option has the correct price in stock. Keeping this section accurate helps prevent overselling and builds trust with your customers. Then head to Marketing. Add a short, compelling description that highlights benefits and key features. Use simple, scannable language that helps shoppers decide quickly. If you have tags or categories, apply them thoughtfully to make products easier to browse. This also supports on-site search and navigation. When everything looks good, click Save. Saving locks in your updates and refreshes the product in your store. If you plan to add more products, repeat the same edit flow for each one. Name, images, inventory, marketing, then save. As you build out your catalog, your store page will automatically populate with your items in the template you chose earlier. That's it for the core setup. You've added a cart to your header, created a store page, followed the initial store setup prompts, and fine-tuned a product's essential details. From here, you can continue refining your design, organizing categories, and polishing product content to create a smooth shopping experience. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.